Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So, let's start with our today's session. My dear friends, in today's session, we will learn Gujarati phrases for tourists, and this is part number 2, where we'll have some conversation which is related to accommodation. So, let's start. Very first sentence is I need a place to stay. મને રહેવા માટે જગ્યા જોવે છે. I need a place to stay. મને રહેવા માટે જગ્યા જોવે છે. So in this sentence, place is equals જગ્યા and I need is equals મને જોઈએ છે. Place is equals જગ્યા and for I need we can use મને જોઈએ છે and for to stay રહેવા માટે to stay is equals રહેવા માટે. Alright guys, I am repeating for you. I need a place to stay. મને રહેવા માટે જગ્યા જોવે છે. The very next sentence is, can you recommend a hotel? શું તમે મને કોઈ હોટલ ભલામણ કરી શકો? So as we know, when a question start with can word, so in Gujarati, we should start with the word શું. Alright? So here in this sentence, શું તમે મને કોઈ હોટલ ભલામણ કરી શકો? Okay, and recommend is equals ભલામણ in this sentence, and hotel you can use straight away hotel word. So this how this sentence will be complete. શું તમે મને કોઈ હોટલ ભલામણ કરી શકો? Like that. The very next and very easy sentence is, what is the price of a room? એક રૂમનો ભાવ કેટલો છે? What is the price of a room? Is equals એક રૂમનો ભાવ કેટલો છે? Or in other word, you can use એક રૂમની કિંમત કેટલી છે? Either you can use word ભાવ or કિંમત. But I think for this sentence, this Gujarati sentence will be better. So I am repeating for you again. What is the price of a room? એક રૂમનો ભાવ કેટલો છે? Okay, the very next sentence is, does the room have a view? શું રૂમમાંથી કોઈ વ્યૂ છે? Or શું રૂમમાંથી કોઈ નજારો છે? Like a balcony or like a window, a perfect view from our window. You know, usually we ask to the people, I mean to the hotel people. So in Gujarati, you can ask something like this. શું રૂમમાંથી કોઈ વ્યૂ છે? Or શું રૂમમાંથી કોઈ નજારો છે? If you see, I have added શું word in bracket. So many times if you use your face expression and tone in a questionary way, so that time you can eliminate શું word. Straight away you can ask like this, રૂમમાંથી કોઈ નજારો છે? If you ask like this, you no need to use શું word. Okay, but if you use, it will be better. The very next sentence here is, can I book a room for tonight? As you know, can is equals શું. So here we'll start the Gujarati sentence with શું word. શું હું આજ રાત માટે રૂમ બુક કરી શકું? I'm repeating. કેન આઈ બુક અ રૂમ ફોર ટુનાઇટ? શું હું આજ રાત માટે રૂમ બુક કરી શકું? My dear friends, in this sentence, tonight is equals આજ રાત. Tonight is equals આજ રાત. Night is equals રાત. Okay? And the complete sentence will be શું આજ રાત માટે રૂમ બુક કરી શકું? Okay? It's very simple. Let's move to the next sentence. Do you have any discount? મને કોઈ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ મળશે? So my dear friend, when you are going to ask any discount, you should use this way the Gujarati sentence. I am repeating for you. શું મને કોઈ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ મળશે? If you see, I haven't write શું word over here because when we express our sentence with a questionary face expression, something like that, I mean, so that time you can eliminate that. So I'm straight away asking, મને કોઈ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ મળશે? When you are asking for discount, you can use this sentence. મને કોઈ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ મળશે? Okay, it's very simple. And my dear friends, I'm making this all videos because I personally want everyone to learn Gujarati, whoever want to learn Gujarati. I am just helping to all those people, and my request to all of you is to forward this video maximum people so they can subscribe my channel. One more point I want to add over here is, for any suggestion, any feedback, you can drop your message in comment box. I'll definitely get those positive feedbacks and will try to figure it out as well. Thank you so much. Let's move to the session. So our sentence over here is, can I pay in cash? Cash chalse, or the pure word of Gujarati, I mean for cash word in Gujarati is rokda. Rokda chalse. So when you are going to pay in cash, you can straight away ask cash chalse or rokda chalse, like that. I'm repeating for you. Can I pay in cash? In Gujarati, cash chalse or rokda chalse, like that you can ask. The very next sentence is, can I see the room? શું હું રૂમ જોઈ શકું? Can I see the room? શું હું રૂમ જોઈ શકું? It's very simple sentence. શું હું રૂમ જોઈ શકું? Okay? Alright? The very next and easy sentence again. What is the check-in, check-out? What time is check-in and check-out? So in Gujarati, we can say check-in, check-out નો સમય શું છે? Check-in, check-out નો સમય શું છે? It's very simple. Simply you have to add check-in, check-out word, and straight away you can ask નો સમય શું છે? What time is check-in and check-out? Check-in, check-out નો સમય શું છે? In this sentence, time is equals સમય. In this sentence, time is equals સમય. It's very simple. Alright. The very next sentence is, I need to cancel my booking. In Gujarati, મને મારું બુકિંગ કેન્સલ કરવું છે. I need to cancel my booking. મને મારું બુકિંગ કેન્સલ કરવું છે. Straight away you can use in this way. Alright. In this sentence, I need, as you know, મને મારું બુકિંગ કેન્સલ કરવું છે. Okay. The very next sentence is, I need a receipt. મને રિસિપ્ટ જોઈએ છે. As you know, the meaning of I need, મને જોઈએ છે, and what you need is receipt, so that you can put it in the center. મને receipt જોઈએ છે. Let's say you need something different, like you need a water. So how you will make this sentence? મને પાણી જોઈએ છે. Water is equals પાણી in Gujarati. Or maybe you can straight away use water word also. They will understand. મને water જોઈએ છે. But પાણી word is very easy. પાણી you can say simply. મને પાણી જોઈએ છે. Okay, the next sentence is I need help with my luggage. I need help with my luggage. So in Gujarati, મારા સામાન માટે મને મદદ જોઈએ છે. My dear friends, in this sentence, luggage is equals saman. But sometimes you can straight away use luggage word. They will understand. Okay, I am repeating for you. I need help with my luggage. મારા સામાન or luggage માટે મને મદદ જોઈએ છે. So as you know, the meaning of help is madad in Gujarati. So simply you can ask for help for your luggage. Okay, I am repeating last time for you. This sentence is મારા સામાન માટે મને મદદ જોઈએ છે. Okay, the very next and very easy sentence is the room is not clean. Room સ્વચ્છ નથી. The room is not clean. Room સ્વચ્છ નથી. The meaning of clean in Gujarati is swachh. Clean is equals swachh. So let's say for example you want to say my room is clean. So you can say મારું room સ્વચ્છ છે. મારો room સ્વચ્છ છે. Like that you can say. The very next sentence is there is a problem with air conditioning. There is a problem with air conditioning. So in short we can say AC માં કંઈક problem છે. AC માં કંઈક problem છે. Or the pure Gujarati word for problem here is સમસ્યા. AC માં કંઈક સમસ્યા છે. There is a problem with a AC. AC માં કંઈક સમસ્યા or problem છે. I am repeating one more time. There is a problem with the air conditioning. In Gujarati, we can say AC માં કંઈક સમસ્યા or problem છે. The very next sentence is I need to change room. I need to change room. મને room બદલવો છે. So my dear friends, in this sentence, change is equals બદલવો. Change is equals બદલવો. So the complete sentence will be મને room બદલવો છે. It's very easy sentence. The very next sentence is I am not happy with the service. I am not happy with the service. In Gujarati, હું સર્વિસથી ખુશ નથી. હું સર્વિસથી ખુશ નથી. Remember guys, you know the meaning of happy is khush. The meaning of happy is khush. But because you are not happy, the last word which we have added in Gujarati is nathi. Nathi means not. હું સર્વિસથી ખુશ નથી. Like that. Thank you so much, my dear friends, to watching the video, and I really hope you guys are enjoying all the videos and session and learning the Gujarati very well. My dear friends, next week we'll come up with other food related phrases. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos and recommend any feedback, any suggestion to the comment box. Thank you and Jai Shri Krishna.